reliable and detailed construction turns challenging designs into reality. The use of novel systems and cutting-edge technology combined with the strictest of controls and procedures. These are our permanent challenges, because our goal is Edificar, to build. Edificar, an emblem of reliability, prestige, and quality.
Edificar is in constant search of the angle, the form, the procedure that will provide added value to the project, and is always seeking new ways of doing things better.
For many years, Edificar has been called upon to create many of Costa Rica's most important construction projects.
If you ask me what makes Edificar different from other construction companies, I would say that there are three fundamental things. One is a truly strict commitment to ethics. This is not something new. It's been our keystone policy for many years. Another thing is our having detected very important changes in the market, and we have always been oriented toward anticipating those changes. When the country made its transition from being a mainly public-dominated administration to being predominantly privately owned, Edificar changed its structures and its focus in order to work for the private sector. And when the country entered into the globalization era, Edificar adapted its structures to meet the requirements of globalization with the ISO and OSHA certification systems.
At Edificar, we look for ideal solutions to construction challenges in every type of projects. Some of these include industrial plants and warehouses, shopping centers, and office facilities.
I would say that we have revolutionized the Costa Rican construction market that used to be very accustomed to antagonistic relationships between owners and the construction company. We've proposed a virtual team endeavor where all parties commit to working together in a concerted effort to complete the job on time, at the budgeted cost and quality level, and meeting all of the client's requirements.
Residential projects. Edificar has also constructed world-class hotel and tourist projects. The high standards of efficiency and the quality of Edificar's projects stand out on the coastal panorama, in urban settings, and blends within the tropical vegetation. Within this mosaic of building projects, one is especially noteworthy for having put Costa Rica on the map of world-class luxury hotels, the Four Seasons Papagayo Hotel in Guanacaste. This mega project required an unprecedented economic and manpower investment for this type of construction projects in Costa Rica. A highly complex and efficient technical organization, an uninterrupted effort lasting some 30 months, attention to all of the details, and fine appointments from all over the world allowed Edificar to fulfill the high standards of the Four Seasons hotel chain. Edificar is a company whose values are backed up by a strict ethics code, which is among the most demanding in the construction industry.
From the very beginning, we have based the growth of Edificar on very important values that have always guided us. Every member of our personnel will continue to instill and maintain these values at all costs.
Edificar offers its clients a transparent and personalized treatment, thereby achieving a better equilibrium between the cost, duration, and quality of its project.
Honesty is a word that everyone, let's say, basically understands. And at Edificar, it means openness. It means not having hidden agendas. When we work for fees with a client, all of the discounts, all of the commissions that might eventually be involved are part of the project and belong to the client. We honor and deliver on this concept.
An exceptional level of professionalism and efficient monitoring mechanisms guarantee rigorous quality control all of Edificar's construction projects.
Having an excellent working team with highly committed people sharing the corporate values bolsters our strength and effectiveness in the market. And the matter of teamwork is also vital. And maybe it isn't just our in-house teamwork, but also our teamwork with the consultants, teamwork with our clients, teamwork with the developers, teamwork with the project managers. We all have the same goals with different responsibilities.
Every finished project backs us up.
When Edificar calculates a budget, when charges for additional work are necessary, when we provide additional services, our fair client treatment policy is in effect. However, it extends beyond that to our subcontractors, employees and other collaborators. This policy has earned Edificar a reputation that has had a huge influence in creating the number of repeat clients in our portfolio.
Efficiency.
What the company has proposed over the years is to have cutting-edge technologies, to have follow-up and to have control. And this results in having the resources well employed. Resources that are not ours, but belong to the client or the country. Edificar ensures that these resources receive optimum utilization. This is, let's use the term, efficiency, and yet that wouldn't be enough if we fail to meet the goals of the client, which always include the basic threesome: price, duration, and quality. At times more importance is placed on duration, sometimes more on cost, and other times quality is more important, as would be the case of the five-star hotels. It is here that we try to ensure that this combination is in the most perfect balance in terms of efficiency and effectiveness.
Edificar incorporates the latest cutting-edge technology and construction materials to fulfill the expectations of our clients. The latest technologies are employed to maintain constant communication with our clients, with the regional offices, and with our foreign suppliers.
We might say that technology is extremely important to Edificar, but it is only important to the extent of being a means of service to our client, a way of making the construction more effective and efficient. The company has the latest multimedia tools, video conferencing equipment, a highly developed intranet. We have a latest generation budgeting system, the latest generation quantification system.
Planning, flexibility, and teamwork. Careful planning allows us to fulfill our commitment of agile performance.
Throughout the entire construction process, the Edificar-client relationship is one of teamwork, friendliness, and respect. This service is highly valued by our clients.
Quality and stability of our personnel. A rigorous personnel selection process guarantees consistent high-quality service. Edificar is extremely careful to comply with the norms of occupational safety at all levels for the benefit of its workers and their families.
We are very careful when recruiting personnel. The fundamental element, since the foundation of Edificar, has been to avail ourselves of the ideal human resources to face these challenges.
Social responsibility and community projects.
Edificar was the proud winner of the Preventico Job Safety Award 3 years ago. We believe that social responsibility begins at home with our collaborators. We have medical services, a solidarity association, and we provide career-building opportunities for our employees.
In its projects, Edificar concerns itself with the protection of the environment. It develops projects for mitigating damage and complies or exceeds the norms for environmental protection. Our past and present achievements and our new challenges for the future consolidate us as a vanguard company in Central America. Edificar, an emblem of reliability, prestige, and quality.